Jeff Bezos achieved the American dream. He achieved financial success. But how did he do it? In this video, we will learn about Jeff Bezos, or Jeffrey Preston Bezos' story of success. He is an entrepreneur, media mogul, businessman, and commercial astronaut from the United States. He is the creator, executive chairman, and former president and CEO of Amazon, the biggest cloud computing and e-commerce corporation in the world. Welcome to Financial Flipside, where we help people with their personal finances and tackle everything about finance and financial literacy. We also share stories of successful people in the finance world to inspire everyone. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted. According to Jeff Bezos' story, he had a brilliant boss and worked in a financial firm in New York City with a lot of other talented people. He went to his supervisor and informed him that he was going to launch a business selling books online. After a lengthy stroll in Central Park with his employer, who had been paying close attention to Bezos, the latter commented, "That sounds like a really good idea. But for someone without a good job already, it would be an even better idea." According to Bezos, you can either have a job, a profession, or a calling. And if you can somehow discover how to have a calling, you've struck it rich, because that's the important thing. When one investor named Dave first met Jeff Bezos, he advised him to invest in his business. Bezos announced that he would launch an internet bookstore in his garage. People would buy online, he claimed, and he would ship from his garage. Bezos persuaded Dave to invest in him by promising to make him the world's richest man and to earn over $100 billion. When Bezos told him at age 26 that he would become the richest man in the world because he had a garage online, that was his truth. Bezos believed in it. Bezos and Dave were unaware of it. Dave claims that while Bezos was already congratulating himself and moving in the right direction at the ideal time, he was laughing, scoffing, and making fun of him. And Bezos is confident that he will generate as much money as possible, as rapidly as possible. There's no way this is going to be a large business. Dave was simply sitting there thinking. Do something you're incredibly passionate about, advised Bezos. And don't try to pursue what seems to be the day's most heated passion. With that in mind, it really was a hard decision, but he ultimately felt he had to give it a try. Bezos didn't believe he would be sorry for trying, but failing. He believed that his decision to give up altogether would follow him forever. Bezos made the riskier choice to pursue his passion after giving it some thought, and he's proud of it. He had been a garage inventor as a young child. Bezos really enjoys the military proverb, "Slow is smooth and smooth is fast." That kind of activity, in his opinion, is what actually enables you to advance. Bezos believed that you are given certain gifts in life and should make the most of them. However, his advice on overcoming difficulty and achieving success would be to be proud of your efforts and decisions rather than your natural talents. Math may come naturally to you if you're exceptionally skilled at it. That kind of gift exists. But mastering that algebra and moving on to the next level could be quite difficult and demanding, requiring a lot of sweat. That is a decision. Given that you received your gifts, you cannot truly be proud of them. You can appreciate and be grateful for them. However, you decided to work hard. You decide to take on challenges. You should be pleased with the decisions you made. You have a choice. Our life stories are all up to us, and our choices, not our talents, define who we are. Bezos thinks everyone possesses a variety of talents. He too is gifted in many ways. However, you should never be boastful of your talents. They were offered to you as gifts. Therefore, you can only be pleased with your decisions because they are the ones you are acting on, and there are numerous presents available. And one of the most significant options available to all of us, in his opinion, is whether to live a life of ease and comfort, or one filled with adventure and service. Which of those do you believe you will be most proud of when you are 80? You'll feel more pride in having chosen a life of adventure and service. He believes that the rate of change, inventiveness, and opportunity is insane for many individuals. Your life, the one you create on your own, starts now. Consider the queries Bezos posed. What kinds of uses do you have in mind for your gifts? Which options will you choose? Will you follow your desires or let inertia lead you? Will you be original or will you adhere to dogma? Which life? One of comfort or one filled with adventure and service? Will you hold true to your beliefs or will you crumble in the face of opposition? When you're in error, will you admit it or will you just fake it out? Will you act when you fall in love, or will you preserve your heart from being hurt? Will you give up when things are difficult, or will you persevere? Will you be compassionate, or will you be clever at others' expense? You're really onto something when you can find a way to offer products and services that enable others to use their creativity. If you have a career, you are incredibly fortunate. Many people succeed in finding employment. Bezos asserts that you will never excel in your job if you don't enjoy it. He thought that all the fascinating people throughout history, including Jules Verne, Mark Twain, Galileo, Newton, and the others, would have wished to be alive at this very moment. We shall be given so many blessings as a civilization. How will you use these gifts? Just as you each have a variety of unique talents. Will you be proud of your decisions or of your gift? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. To be more knowledgeable about financial topics, make sure to subscribe to Financial Flipside and hit the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted.